Hello everyone. So today we will be painting this beautiful Radha Krishna painting, and I will be using acrylic colors which comes in tubes, and also this bottle ones acrylic colors. So take out your brushes and get ready to paint. So you people can see that I have already prepared the sketch. Now we will be painting the first coat. So let's take some water and a color palette, and here I am preparing orange color by mixing red and yellow. I will mix some water into it. Let's paint. So we have to do the first coating. So here you can quickly fill all the shapes. So first let's fill orange color in some of the shapes. Likewise we will paint rest of the shapes which are there in the painting, and this will prepare a base for us for shading or detailings. So let's quickly paint all the shapes. And we are done with the basic coat. Now let's proceed towards shading. So here I will be using acrylic retarder medium and acrylic gel medium. So don't worry, I will be telling their uses. So first of all, let's talk about retarder medium. So retarder medium, when mixed with our colors, so we all know acrylic colors dry up so quickly, so we mix retarder medium with acrylic colors so that their drying period increases. As we want to do shading, so we don't want our colors to dry quickly, so we will be using retarder medium. Secondly, we will be using gel medium, because I want to give some texture in my painting. So this gel medium will give some thickness to my color, and you will see this its use in this painting. I will be giving texture. See how I am putting my brush. I am doing tap 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 because I have mixed gel medium here. My colors has become thick and I am able to give this texture. You can see how I have given this texture into this face area. Similarly, I will do with the other half face of Radha ji. Now for painting the second half, I am taking yellow and black color, and here I have mixed retarder and gel medium into these colors, and you can see I am not doing smooth painting. I am doing tap tap tap, right? So like this I am creating a texture on their face, and you can also see I am going from dark then slowly to light here. Like this I will be painting the second half face of Radha ji and Krishna ji. Following the same procedures, we will paint some of the remaining shapes like this one, this one and this one and this one. We will be painting same texture here. So as you can see, I am done with giving textures in some of the shapes. So they are little rough. Now I will be mixing two colors. This type of shading is very common. We just give a dark shade then a light shade, and with a clean brush we mix both of the colors. So like this I will do shadings in some of the parts. Here you need to be very quick as acrylic colors dry very fast, so you have to be very quick in mixing those colors, otherwise means strokes will be visible or colors will not mix properly. And you can also take help of retarder medium here also. So I will give same type of shading in rest of the parts. Like in neck I have mixed black and blue and white. So we are all done with shading and giving base to the painting. Now we will paint eyes, nose or forehead of the Radha Krishna, and rest some parts are remaining, so I will do that also. So let's start with the nose first. So in nose we have to give a light shade on the tip. That's called highlighting the nose. Like this we have to paint the nose. Then in eyes, first I will fill black color, and then we will do some shading on eyes also. Similarly we will do for Radha ji. Now it's time to paint lips. So I have chosen white and orange color for the lower lip. So like this you have to do it. And for the upper lip I have chosen brown and red color. So I'm done with Krishna ji lips. Similarly I will do for Radha ji also. So now I am giving another layer of color to the flute, that is Basuri, and I will do some shading here also. In edges I will give some dark color. Like this we will give some outline also to the flute. Now it's time to paint flowers. So first I have given white color code, then some brown lines. You can see the process. First light brown, then I will give outline of dark brown. Like this you can paint rest of the flowers. Are almost done with the painting. Now it's time to give some outline. First I am giving black color outline, then I will give white color outline to some of the shapes wherever it is required. Just make sure you give very thin outline on face, means on eyes, nose, etc. You have to give very thin outline. For that you can use 0 or 00 brush. And we are almost done with the painting. If you liked this video and find it helpful, then you can subscribe to my channel, or you can visit my Instagram account where I share all these paintings. And I will be glad if you share your feedbacks in comment section. So you can comment me any doubt which you have related to painting, or any doubt related to this painting also. Finally we are done with the painting. Now I will remove this tape, and be very slow in removing this tape. And I have given this border and this boundary of white color around. So at last I will apply varnish on this painting. So you can also recreate this painting. You just need to follow all these steps. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you all in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.